Bella, the brave kitten. One sunny day, a little kitten named Bella was happily playing near the road. Bella loved chasing butterflies, her silky fur shining in the sunlight. Suddenly, a car drove by and splashed mud all over Bella. Bella's pretty fur was now messy and covered in mud, leaving Bella feeling sad. Some nearby kittens even giggled at the muddy fur, which made Bella feel even worse. Just then Willow, an older cat and friend, came over and gently said, "Don't worry, Bella. I'll help you clean up." Willow carefully washed the mud off Bella's fur until the little kitten fur was clean and fluffy again. "Thank you, Willow," Bella said with a small smile. "I feel much better." Willow smiled and said, "Remember, Bella, even if you get a little messy, you're still the same wonderful kitten inside." From that day on, Bella felt stronger and didn't let little things make her sad. Bella learned that true beauty comes from within, and being kind to yourself is just as important as being kind to others.
Baby bubbles.